Magandang hapon po ng February 22, 2024 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng February 22, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, February 22, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 22, 2024, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for February 22, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for February 22, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.